Okay guys, I'm here again guys to discuss about my Lord God Father Jesus Christ said here in Luke chapter 16 verse 13. So, okay guys, I collect all important verses and chapters to remind, to warn to all people. My Lord God Father Jesus Christ said here in Luke chapter 16 verse 13, no servant can serve two masters, for either he will hate the one and love the other, or else he will hold to the one and despise the other. Ye cannot serve God and Mammon. So, this is essential. This is important to us, guys. Because if we choose to follow to my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, we sacrifice our self. So it means we carry our cross every day and keep His commandments. Because my Lord God Father Jesus Christ said on John chapter 14 verse 15, if you love me, keep my commandments. So if we choose to follow to my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, so we sacrifice our self and carry always our cross and keep His commandments. But if you choose to follow treasure of this world, so it's up to you guys. That is not my business, because I'm here to share what is right in here. So I'm here to warn you, because Jesus Christ said here in Luke chapter 9 verse 25, for what is a man advantage if he gain the whole world and lose himself or be cast away? So useless, guys. Useless if you gain the whole world but you are lose yourself. So this is a warning, guys. So I hope you learn this verse. And Jesus Christ said again, for where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. So this is a reminder again. So it's up to you guys. If you choose to follow to my Lord God Father Jesus Christ, carry your cross and keep His commandments. But if you follow the treasure of this world, so it's up to you. That is not my business. So go ahead. Go what you want. But see you in hell. Okay? And Jesus also said again, and I say unto you, my friends, be not afraid of them that kill the body, and after that have no more that they can do. But I will forewarn you whom ye shall fear. Fear him which after he hath killed hath power to cast into hell. Yea, I say unto you, fear Him. So, this is a warning again, guys. So, fear Him who hath power to cast into hell. So, this is a reminder, guys. So, I hope and I have verses again, and always remember this verse, guys. The life is more than meat, and the body is more than raiment. So, life is more than meat, guys. So, it's not too late, guys, to follow to my Lord God Father Jesus Christ and keep His commandments and carry your cross every day. If you want to follow the treasure of this world, so go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, goodbye.